Hey Plant Pals, I made some more beef stew and I was just about to serve myself up some, and then I thought, well, I might as well show what I'm going to do. Is I took, the basil was touching the light, and so I harvested all this fresh delicious basil, and I'm going to go to my, oh, and I'm growing another little baby here, little pepper plant, just for fun. I'll be probably moving it to a different system, but you know, it's a nice way to start it. I have an empty spot here. The light is dim enough to where the for seedlings, but once it gets to this stage, I want to put it in a brighter light. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move that, and I have some delicious tomatoes growing here, and I got some delicious tomatoes growing over here. And I'm going to see how this is growing down here like that. I'm going to cut that off because it's not getting enough light. I'm going to propagate that. I'm going to turn that into probably 2 or 3 tomato plants. So anyway, and then there's a little buddy growing here. Alright. But I'm going to get some more herbs out of my herb garden, and I'm going to open up the beef stew, and I'll be right back. Well, first the herbs. Alright, I got my choice of all kinds of things here. So I'm going to snip some of this parsley. I'll grab that. I'm going to take this parsley. I'm going to take some of this sage for sure. And then I'll go get the stew. Alright, those are the herbs I harvested. I could harvest some from my other systems, but that's good enough. I won't even use it all. Be right back. Alright, the pressure has been fully released. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's steaming up the camera. Alright, looks great. Stir it up. Let's see. It's so foggy I can't even show it. But I'm going to dish myself up a bowl. It's got some garden tomatoes in there, and broccoli, and beef, and onions. All kinds of good things. Alright, be right back. Oh, cool. It's not steamy now. It's got onions, all kinds of things in there. Good stuff. Alright, I'm going to dish myself some up. Be right back. Okay, so we now have plenty of herbs in my beef stew that I just pulled out of the pressure cooker. I'm going to take these left over that I'm not going to use right now. I'm going to put them in this freezer bag, and what I've been doing is I freeze all my extra herbs. You see how full this bag is. Crunching them down here, because what happens is they become almost dehydrated, and they easily break up into like little bits. And if I keep doing that, it'll get smaller, and the amount in the bag will get smaller and smaller. It'll give me more room. And I just keep adding to it until it's full, and then I use that for my stews and other things. When I roast, I'll roast chickens and things, or even things I put on the grill. I will sprinkle the fresh herbs over that. It adds great flavor. And what I'm also going to add is these in my refrigerator. These are bean sprouts that I just made a day ago. Add some of that to my beef stew. Very crunchy and healthy. Makes it delicious. And then this is the jar I use to grow these sprouts in. Alright, so that is going to be my dinner. This is my treat for doing Meatless Monday. I have a beef stew, I got sprouts, and I got veggies and herbs, all kinds of good stuff in there. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.